Hello and welcome back to another episode in the puzzle studio. Today we're going to be working on the puzzle chest, and we have to make sure that we get the best quality possible on these puzzle chests because puzzle chests. We have to make sure we get the best quality possible. I put this in over the weekend, so now we're working. We have just about all of the shelves finished. So you can see them spread out right here on the table saw bench here. We have 5 different sets of shelves in various stages right here. Those are all for the puzzle chests, and so they're going right in there. Phenomenal. So if I could get those shelves done today and all looking mint, that would be great. That would be great progress. So I'm going to bring you along. I'm going to update the progress every single hour. Going to give you a new snippet of what's going on, and hopefully by the end of the day we can get these done. Let's get started. Okay, so that was a long break we had there. That was about 2 hours, but I got quite a lot done because I finished gluing all those up, sorting out all the shells. I put this guy together. This is looking pretty nice right here. We have, you get the general idea of what it's going to look like. Just looks phenomenal to me. The fit and finish is just great. So that's something that I'm really pleased about. So anyway, we have all these shells here. We're going to do them all at the same time because we've got to dado those, we've got to dado these. So actually, my sister is interested in helping me out with the Facebook and Instagram and MailChimp newsletters because she's done newsletters before for a different company. So hopefully she can help me out with that because I've been way behind on the newsletters and I want to get them out, but I just haven't had time. So I can bring another person, we can grow the team a little bit more, and then I don't have to spend time taking pictures, writing out what the progress is, updating it, and that will give me more time to do what I do best, which is the woodworking aspect of things. Okay, these are just cards for the Jack-in-the-Boxes. In each Jack-in-the-Box I throw in a deck of cards. They're cheaper if I get them by the bulk, obviously. Bicycle decks of cards, red and blue, cha-ching, and this that's not what I was expecting. A can of the finish that I use. This is gel top coat satin oil based. Wait a minute, that's not what I got originally. Okay, we seem to have a little bit of a problem. That the Amazoner sent me the wrong stuff, so I'm gonna check that. Okay, let me first give a disclaimer and say that this was not from Amazon, even though it was shipped in an Amazon box. I bought this off of eBay. But take a look. This is what I use to put on my boxes right here. Take a look here. This is what I bought for $38.34. General Finishes, gel top coat, wipe on urethane, satin. Okay, fair enough. That is the super finish that I've been using for my boxes, just like it says here, gel top coat, wipe on urethane, satin. Okay, this is what they send me in the mail. Oil-based top coat satin. Nothing about the wipe on urethane, so what is going on here? Serious problem, so I'm just gonna have to contact these people and see what's going on or do some researching on the web because I don't wanna put on the wrong finish on the boxes. That'd be horrible. As they say, the proof is in the pudding. Oh yeah, that is the stuff. Oh yeah, smell that? Yeah, that's the right stuff. That's the stuff we're looking for. When you have something like this, it's a good idea because this seal is never actually perfect. The air is gonna keep escaping. So if you store it like this, the air comes up to the top and it doesn't escape. So that's how you wanna store it so that you preserve the finish for as long as possible. Okay, things are going pretty good. I got the dado blades set up on here. I'm ready to now cut all the dados in here. This is the final step before we glue on the Wenge strips. I set this thing up with the splitter on there. So this is a zero clearance throat insert for the table saw. So you put that in there, you have two sides and it just makes it zero clearance right around the blade so that you don't have a ton of tear out. And this is the splitter. This is sold separately. It came in this little packet here. It's called the MJ splitter, but it works really well. And all you had to do was just drill a couple holes, put that in. They do have other attachments in there. They gave you this little jig to help drill the holes. Definitely love this product. Definitely will be getting more of those. You know what else? You guys are probably getting just bored as could be. So I'm just gonna get out the little old camera slider. The rule of thumb is you can't have a good episode. You can't have a good episode without a camera slider. Oh, I was wondering why it was getting so dusty in here. Look at this. You see that dust? It's crazy. So now these are ready to glue right onto all of the shells here. These are the last of the shells. Now the shells are going to be all done when we get this all done. So I've been cutting, but I noticed all this sawdust in the air, and I think the problem is this thing must be full. Let's have a look here. This is the dust collector. So the hoses go up over to the planer, down along the floor. Up here, this is a big cyclone. It twirls the air like this, tries to get back up to here, and the dust just keeps falling down into the bin before it goes into the air goes into the filter. Anything extra will drop into the bag and the air just comes back out. And this is just like a 1.5 horsepower dust collector. Oh yeah, you can see that's pretty much full. That's where the problem is. Lots of sawdust. It's not completely full, so I don't know, there might be some sort of catch in the line somewhere. There might be, you know, blocked up the line somewhere. I'm gonna have to check the line. Okay, okay, right now it is a little after 5:40 right now. We're making good progress. We've got to keep moving. As you see, I have all of these right here. Those are glued up and ready to go. So those are half of them. So I have all of these ready to go glue up. I have all the Wenge strips right there ready to glue up on those. The only hold off right there is because I have this little modification to do. So this is the original right here, and you see we have a hole through for a part of the mechanism, the locking mechanism that locks the drawer beneath and stuff. I'm not going to go into it, but we need to make this little incision right here. And what we're going to do is, just like we did the other one, we're going to drill through right here, and then I'm going to cut with the bandsaw because I haven't glued on this piece yet. Just going to cut with the bandsaw, make it a nice straight line through there. It'll look really nice, and hopefully we can get this finished before the end of the night, because then we could be done with the shelves by tomorrow morning, which would be excellent for production. So we'll see how that goes. Well, it's been a pretty productive day in the workshop. Got quite a lot done, made lots of progress on the shelves. We're not quite done yet because I figured out that we had to do that little extra bit of drilling and milling right here. But that's okay, we'll come back and do that early in the morning, and seeing everything go together and seeing all the levels and all the different divisions for all the drawers and the puzzles and everything. So that'll be a fun thing to watch, so I'll make sure to film that. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.